Hello friends, first let me clear all of you that my channel is for MPSC and UPSC both, hence many of my video are in Marathi language and some of in English. So today I am showing all of you the book list of Akshit Jain, who is All India Rank 2 in UPSC CSE 2018. I know that he has already given his book list on Unacademy's YouTube channel, but you can see it takes a lot of time to go through all the book lists because the video length is too much. So without wasting too much time, let's start to the main subject of the video. Read books and resource list for UPSC CSE by Akshit Jain, All India Rank 2 in CSE 2018. So first of all, for GS1 History, new NCERTs Class 6 to Class 12th, Freedom Struggle, A Brief History of Modern India, Spectrum, Post-Independence India, Nitin Sangwan Notes, World History, Vision IAS Notes, Art and Culture, NCERT Class 11th and Introduction to Indian Art and Culture by Nitin Singhania, Old NCERT Class 11th in Ancient India by R.S. Sharma, Old NCERT Class 11th Medieval India by Satish Chandra, and for Geography, new NCERTs classes 6 to 10th and 11 to 12th. Geography videos by MS Rajtanil available on Brunel. Certificate Physical and Human Geography by JC Leong, PMF IAS and Atlas. For GS2 Polity, NCERT M. Lakshmikant. Current Affairs covered from editorials, PIBs and PRS. Vision IAS Notes, 2nd ARC 6th Report Summary, 1, 4, 9, 10, 11 and 12 Reports Summary. Niti Aayog's 3 years Action Agenda, Budget and Economic Surveys Summaries, Ministry of External Affairs website, PDFs, etc. Then for GS3 means for Economy, NCERT's classes 9th and class 12th. Sanjeev Verma book, Current Affairs covered from editorials, Vision IAS material, PIB, Budget and Economic Surveys, Summaries, websites like Investopedia, Arthapedia, and for Environment, NCERT Biology class 12th, last 4 chapters, Shankar IAS Environment, current editorials, Vision IAS material and PIBs. PMF IAS. Then for Internal Security and Disaster Management, Ashok Kumar and Vipul's book. After that, Current Affairs covered from editorials, Vision IAS material, 2nd ARC 3rd report, Crisis Management. NDMA guidelines available online. For Science and Tech, Vision IAS, Current Affairs material, editorials. For GS4 means for Ethics, 2nd ARC 4th report, Ethics in Governance, 2nd ARC 12th report, Citizen Centric Administration, Lexicon for Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude by Chronicle, and whenever in need you can use newspaper, PIB, PRS, Insights on India, Murnal.org, Clear IAS, PMF IAS and YouTube videos. This PDF is made by me. You can download the PDF from the description link below. So this is for today friends. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to the channel for more updates.